Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down, find this button in this block, and then press and hold like this and drag to top for add this button. Okay, now we add screencast button, so click back for save. Now you add screen record button to this panel and tap it. And now before start recording we got show touches on screen. This position of switcher it's turn off this option, and this it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.